Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the factory OS, also known as the original stock firmware, onto a brand new SD card for the Anbernic RG35XX. This is perfect if your old SD card is corrupted, you upgrade it to a larger SD card, or you just want a clean install. First thing you want to do is log into Google and search for Rufus. I like to use the portable version because it doesn't require installation and it's quick. So go ahead and download Rufus Portable and keep it somewhere easy to find, like your downloads folder. Next, you're going to need the original RG35XX factory OS/firmware file. I'm going to provide the official links down below in the comments/description, so make sure you grab it from there. Once it's downloaded, it's usually going to come in a zip file. Now make sure you have a new SD card inserted into your USB card reader because we're going to install the OS onto it. Quick warning, this process will erase everything on that SD card, so make sure it's empty or backed up. You're going to need to unpack the OS file, so you'll need to unzip it. You can use any unzip software you want, like 7-Zip, WinRAR, or anything else. Once it's unzipped, you should see the OS image file, usually in .img or .iso. Now go ahead and open your downloads folder, or wherever you saved Rufus, and double-click to launch it. Inside Rufus, make sure your SD card is selected under Device, click Select. Choose your RG35XX OS file, then click Start. Rufus is going to ask for permission. Click Yes, and finally confirm the warning that it will erase the SD card. Now just let the process run. This part can take a few minutes depending on the speed of your SD card. Once it's finished, you'll see it say, Ready. Go ahead and click Close. At this point, your SD card now has the new OS installed. Now here's something important. If you click into your SD card, you may notice there is some unallocated space. That means your ROM's partition isn't using all the available storage, and we need to expand it. So what we're going to do is extend the ROM's drive so it takes up all that unallocated space. If you try to do this in Windows Computer Management or Disk Management, you'll notice the extend option is usually grayed out, so it won't let you do it there. So instead, we're going to use another free tool. To extend the ROM's partition, you need MiniTool Partition Wizard. I will also provide the official link for this below. Once you're on the website, click Download Partition Wizard, select the free edition, download it, and install it on your PC. Once installed, go ahead and launch MiniTool Partition Wizard. Now, identify your SD card. Make sure you choose the correct one. Look for the ROMs partition. On the left-hand side, click Extend Partition. Drag the slider all the way to the end, so it uses the full unallocated space. Then click Apply. Click Yes to confirm. Now the expansion process will begin. This can take several minutes, depending on your SD card speed. When it finishes, go back to Computer Management, Disk Management, and check your SD card again. The ROM's partition is now using all the space, then your SD card is fully ready. Now all you have to do is to add your games to your ROMs folder. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. And if this helped you out, please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and drop a comment if you want me to make another tutorial for custom firmware, ROM setup, or how to add box art. Thanks again. See you in the next one.